Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and in this video I am going to show you how to use this tablet for note taking with 15 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first feature is about bringing data from different sources into your notes. So I open Samsung Notes and here I will start taking my notes. Now for example, I want to bring an image from Google into my notes. I will take out this H panel and then I open the Samsung internet browser here in the split screen. So here you can see I search some images on Google. For example, I like this image and I want this image into my notes. I will use my S Pen and then I will press and hold it like this, and here is the option of clip subject from background. So I select this option. Now the image part will pop out. I will use my S Pen again. I will press and hold it and I can easily drag it into my notes. So here you can see I drag here into my notes, and then if you want you can also resize it, you can also crop it. If you want to highlight, you can also do the highlighting as well. And then for example, if you want to label it, you can also label it. Same way you can also drag any text from a website into your notes. So I will just go back from here and then I will also go back from here. So here you can see I have this text. Now I want this text into my notes. I will use my S Pen. I will press and hold it like this, and then I will start selecting this text. So I will select till here. Now again I will press and hold it like this, and I can also drag this text here into my notes. So here you can see I have this text available here, and now if you want you can also edit this text. So for example, if I want to edit, I can also edit it. The next thing is you can also add whole web page into your notes. So I will just scroll down and here for example I open this website. Now what I will do, I will open a new note in my Samsung Notes. So I will go back from here and from here I will open a new note. So on this website you can see I have different menus and different ads, but I want the simplified version of this website. So here is the reader mode option. So I just select this reader mode option. So it will open the simplified version of the website with the text and images only. Now I want this website into my notes. So here you can see at bottom I have this option of link and whole page. So I select this whole page option, and then it will start adding this whole website into my notes, and then later I can edit it. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, then I will show you. So here you can see the whole website is now available here in my notes, and here you can see I have the same images. Then if I scroll down, I have the same text. So everything available here in my notes. Now if you want you can also highlight some important information. Then if you want to write something, you can also write it. If you want to create some kind of shape, you can also do it as well. The next thing is you can also add pages into your notes. So I just select this page sorter option. So here it will show me all the pages of this website that is now available in my notes. Now for example, I want to add page after this page. So I will select these three dots, and here is the add page option. So I will select it. Once you select it, here it will ask you what kind of page template you want. So I just want this default one, and here you can see a new page has been added, and here I can also take my notes. Here if I want I can also write some important information, and from here you can also access this page. The next feature is about taking notes on top of videos. For example, you have a video lecture going on and you want to take notes in the meantime. You can use the S Pen button and then tap on the screen 2 times like this. It will open the Samsung Notes, and here you can start taking your notes. Now you can see this app is blocking the view behind. So what you can do is select this blue bar from here, then select this opacity icon, and then you can reduce the opacity of Samsung Notes. Now you can see the video behind, and you can also take your notes. The next thing is if you want to do the screen recording of your note taking and the video, you can also do it. Just bring down this quick panel and then select this screen recorder option. Then select this start recording, and after this countdown your screen recording will start. Now you can take your notes and your video will also be recorded. The next thing is, if you want to highlight anything important in your video, you can use this pen tool and then you can highlight anything important from your video or from your notes as well. The next thing is, you can also turn on the front camera. So here is the front camera option. Just select this tool and it will turn on the front camera. So here is the front camera. Now whatever you are doing, it will do the screen recording for you. Once you finish with your screen recording, you can select this stop option. Your screen recording will save in your gallery and later you can access it, and you can also share it with your colleagues, with your students as well. The next feature is about adding important text into notes. For example, I open this website and here I find this text interesting and I want to use it in my notes. So first of all, I will press this S Pen button and then I will start selecting this text. So for example, I want this text till here. Now here on top you can see it is giving me the option of add to note. So I will select this option of add to note and the same text will be added to my notes. So here you can see the text is now available in my notes and it is also showing the web link as well. The next feature is about pin your notes. For example, I open my Samsung Notes and here I want to pin this part of my note. So I will use this air command option and then I open this smart select tool. And then I will start selecting this part of my notes using S Pen. So here you can see this part is now selected and here on top you see this option of pin. So select this pin option. So now this note is pinned to my screen. So even if I go out of Samsung Notes, so here you can see the pin part is now available. And even if I open any other app, you can see the same Samsung Notes is still available. But you can see it is large in size. If you want to make it like a small thumbnail, you can also do it. Just single tap it like this. And then here you can see the option of minimize. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can see it will be like this very small thumbnail. And now for example, if you want to open it, just select it like this and you can see it will become bigger in size. Now let's talk about different tools inside Samsung Notes. So here we have this pen tool. If you select, we have different pen option. So you can use this tool for handwriting. You can also use this tool for creating neat shapes. So for example, if I want to create a circle like this, I will just draw it like this and then I will hold it. So once you hold it, it will create a neat shape. For example, I want to create this kind of box. I will press and hold it and here it will create a neat shape for me. Same way, you can also use this highlighter. Inside the highlighter we have different highlighter options with different thickness and different opacity and different colors level. You can also use the highlighter for creating a neat shape again. So for example, if I want to create a neat shape like this, I will press and hold it like this and it will create a neat shape for me. The next thing is you can also use this S Pen to text tool. Now for example, whatever I write, it will convert it into the text. So here you can see I write with my S Pen and here it will convert it into the text. Then we have this shape tool as well. So now whatever shape you create, it will make it neat for you. So here you can see I create different circle. For example, if I want to create a star, so it will make it neat for me. The next feature is about voice recording. For example, you have a lecture going on and you want to voice record it. So just select this attach icon, select voice recording from here and then it will start recording. And then in the meantime, you can also take your notes as well. So once you finish with your recording, just select this stop icon from here. And then if you want to play it, you can play it from here. So once you play back your recording, it will show you what you write in real time alongside the audio. The next feature is about page template. So you can select different page templates, select these three dots, and then here you see this option of page template. So once you select it, here it is giving you different options. So you can select different templates. For example, here we have this page template with lines. You can select it. Then if you want, you can also select the yearly or monthly planner as well. So here just select this PDF, and then here we have different options available. For example, if I select this template, so here you can see we have this workout plan, and here you can also take your notes as well. Guys, you can also change the page colors. So just select these three dots. Here is the page settings. So here you can see you can change the page color from here as well. The next feature is about collaboration. You can also invite collaborators in your note taking. Select these three dots. Here is the invite collaborators option. Then you can select this share link option. It will create a link, and then you can use this link and you can share it with your friends or with your colleagues using different platforms. Once they open that link, they can also collaborate in your note taking. The next feature is about PDF annotations. So you can also use Samsung Notes for PDF annotations. So here is the PDF icon, just select it and then open the PDF file. So for example, I open this PDF file, and now I can use all these tools for PDF annotations. For example, if I want to highlight something in the PDF, I can do the highlighting. And then for example, if I want to write something using my pen, I can also do it. If you want, you can also create some kind of a shape in the PDF, and then if you want, you can also add text. So here is the text icon, so you can just select it and then you can start adding the text in the PDF. The next feature is about sync your notes across different Samsung devices. So open the Samsung Notes, then here select this menu, and here you see the settings icon. So just select this settings icon, and here you can see the very first option is about sync with Samsung Cloud. So you can enable this option, and then you can sync your Samsung Notes across different Samsung devices. The next feature is about adding an object from a video into your notes. For example, I will open this video and I want a specific object from this video into my notes. So I will take out this H panel and then I open the Samsung Notes here in split screen. Now for example, I want a specific object from this video. So I will pause this video, and then for example, I want this object into my notes. I will use my S Pen and then I will press and hold it like this, and then I can easily drag and drop this part into my notes. And then later, if you want, you can also edit it. If you want to write something, you can do it. You can do your highlighting. The next feature is about extracting text from an image and use it in your notes. So here, for example, I search this image on Google and I want only the text from this image. So I will use my S Pen and then I will press and hold it like this, and here is the extract text option. So I will select this extract text option. All the text is now highlighted. Now I will use my S Pen and then I will start selecting the text. So here is the select all option. So I will use this option. All the text is now selected. Now I will use this share option, and then I will use this Samsung Notes option, and then you can add it to new note or add it to existing note. For example, I select this add to new note. Now the text is available in my notes, and then I can edit it and I can also use it. The next feature is about screen off memo. For example, your tablet is locked and you are in a hurry and you want to write some important information or you want to take notes. Use the S Pen button. Just tap on the screen 2 times like this. It will open the screen of memo, and now here you can start taking your notes. If you want to write something important, you can also write it over here, and here you can select different thickness. You can also change the color. So here you can see you can use different colors. Then once you finish, you can select this save option, and then later you can access it through your Samsung Notes. The next feature is about app icons. So I will open the Samsung Notes, and now for example I want to call some number. So I will write that number here in my Samsung Notes. So I will just write down this random number, and then I will go back from here, and then I will use my S Pen and I will bring it closer to this number. So once you bring it closer, here you see this phone icon. Just select this phone icon, it will open the dialer, and then you can call on that number. Same way you can also use it for writing an email. So for example, I will write here an email ID. So I will write here abc@gmail.com, and then I will go back from here. I will bring my pen closer to this email ID, and now here it is showing me this email icon. So I will just select it. It will ask me if I want to use the Gmail or Outlook, and then you can complete this action using any of these platforms. You can also use it for calculation. For example, I will write here 2 plus 4 plus 3, and then I write equal, and then I will go back, and then I will bring my pen closer to this equation. So once you bring your pen closer, here you see this calculator icon. Just select it. It will open the calculator with the same calculation and with the answer as well, and then you can use this option as well. The next feature is about categorization. So you can categorize your Samsung Notes into folders and subfolders. So here is the menu option. Just select it, and here you can see we have different folders available. So you can create your folders according to your semesters, and then you can create subfolders according to your subjects. So here is the manage folders option. So here you can see we have this create folder. You can select this create folder option. You can give it any name, any color, and then you can add it. And inside this folder, you can create another folder. So here is the create subfolder option. Just select it, and then again you can give it any name according to your subject, and then give it any color, and then you can add it as well. So here you can see here is the main folder, and inside this main folder I have this subfolder, and inside this subfolder you can create new notes. The next feature is about voice input. So you can also use your voice to take notes. So I open the Samsung Notes. Here is the keyboard icon. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see this option of mic. So just select this mic option. Now whatever you say, it will write it down for you in the text format. So this is really amazing. Once you finish with your note taking, you can select this tab to pause option. So here you can see whatever I say, it write it down for me in the text format. And then if you want, you can also edit it. And then if you want, you can use a different text tool. For example, if you want to bold it, if you want to underline it, so you can use all different text tools here. The next feature is about saving your notes. So guys, you can save your notes in 6 different formats. So select these 3 dots. Here is the save as file option. Once you select it, here you can see you have 6 different formats available. So you can save your notes as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Word file, PowerPoint file, image file, or text file. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.